This isn't just another smartphone, it's the edge of the future. Welcome to the S25 Edge.
Every new standard starts with a bold vision of what is possible, going beyond expectations by pushing the boundaries of precision engineering and innovation. All Galaxy products originate from essential design. Our principle for designing with intent, to provide new value and unique experiences to our users. The Galaxy S25 Edge showcases this intention through its incredibly slim and light form factor. We use advanced materials and techniques to design a device that is both sleek and durable. But to be called an S-series, it also needs to retain the performance and cutting-edge experience worthy of a flagship smartphone. The entirely new Galaxy S25 Edge strikes that balance, combining precise design intentions with powerful performance. Slim, sleek, and lightweight, without sacrificing what you love. Because for the designers and engineers behind the legendary S-series, defying the odds has always been inspired by you.
The Galaxy S25 Edge, the slimmest smartphone ever from Samsung, ushers in a new era of flagship design. Achieving this meant rethinking every component from the inside out. Our engineering teams reimagined and refined every detail with precision. The camera's interior components shape the smartphone's overall profile and form. To fit a high-performance lens into an ultra-thin frame, we had to reconfigure its structure. It needed to be shorter and slimmer. After thousands of simulations, we created a groundbreaking camera module, which allowed us to equip the Galaxy S25 Edge with the smallest high-resolution camera we've ever made. But making the camera slimmer was just the beginning.
So how do we maximize performance and cooling in a dramatically thinner device?
The answer? We customized the thermal performance architecture, trimming the physical dimensions while broadening its reach. This enabled heat dissipation across a wider surface area without increasing the device's height. While its inner workings underwent a transformation, so did the exterior hardware. Our mechanical design teams meticulously examined every detail, determining where to refine and fortify for maximum resilience in this new compact form. This led to an exciting milestone. Galaxy S25 Edge will be the first smartphone to unveil Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 with notable strength, striking clarity, and precision thinness. This vibrant display of the S25 Edge is housed within a titanium frame. This adds to the smartphone's structural integrity and sophistication. Across every element, Galaxy S25 Edge balances form and function. From the streamlined yet iconic camera, to its minimized yet resilient one-mass design, and repositioned side key for ease of use and structural integrity. All pioneered and rigorously tested for the ultimate slim smartphone. An engineering feat of uncompromising craftsmanship, measuring just 5.8 millimeters and weighing 163 grams. Galaxy S25 Edge sets the new standard.
You've seen the attention to detail. You've witnessed the innovation in action. After months of growing excitement and lots of rumors, Galaxy S25 Edge is here. Now let's dig deeper into all the ways this category-defining smartphone goes beyond slim to deliver a one-of-a-kind experience. There's an assumption that engineering an ultra-slim phone inherently requires sacrificing features and performance. But Galaxy S25 Edge proves you don't have to choose between form and function. With the same customized Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy as S25 Ultra, you get the most powerful processor ever in our smartphones in the slimmest S series we've ever made. That raw power fuels fast and secure AI on device and lets you enjoy revolutionary gaming experiences. We know the question on most people's minds. What's going to happen to the iconic S-series camera? Many of you guessed that we'd include a stunning 200 megapixels, and you were right. Alongside a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, the dual camera system gives you creative freedom and flexibility. From quick snaps to epic captures, you can choose the resolution that's best. The 200 megapixel high-resolution sensor lets you take extremely sharp, full-frame images, allowing you to shoot wide and crop tight without losing a single detail. With its cutting-edge camera hardware powered by the ProVisual engine, Galaxy S25 Edge can detect subjects with great precision, so you can take a portrait and watch as it automatically sharpens textures, skin tones, and other micro details. And with nightography that comes standard on our S series, you'll be able to capture stunning footage even in low light. For creative minds, Samsung Log Video enables advanced cinematic filmmaking with maximum flexibility during editing. And for the first time, it's on the front camera too, so even selfie videos can have the ultimate post-production treatment. As you've just seen, Galaxy S25 Edge delivers expertly detailed photos and videos. Galaxy is leading the mobile AI era, and Galaxy S25 Edge is no exception. It comes with all the incredible AI experiences that over 200 million users are loving, and they're here now, not coming soon. Galaxy AI provides practical tools to help you every day, like the fan favorite Photo Assist, which lets you remove objects or replace elements of your photo easily. Just like that. Easy AI editing isn't limited to images. Have you ever captured stunning footage only to play it back later and hear distracting background noise?
How are you?
Audio Eraser analyzes and separates the sounds specific to that video, letting you edit recordings to be clearer.
Hi. How are you? Isn't it amazing?
Galaxy AI can help with other tasks too. Need to draft an email? Writing Assist can save you time and provide suggestions that enable you to express yourself more clearly. Across all the ways you use your phone, on-device Galaxy AI provides experiences based on preferences and routines, and all your data is encrypted and safely protected with Samsung Knox Vault, a defense-grade, multi-layer security platform. You get intelligent, helpful support without compromising your privacy. The latest Galaxy S series really raised the bar for what a true AI companion can be. It understands your needs and helps you get the most out of every day. And together with Google, we're reimagining Android with AI at the core. Google Gemini can help you conveniently get things done across native Samsung and Google apps. And using it is easy. Just press, talk, and you're done. Say you're scrolling on your phone and you spot a music festival you want to go to. With so many artists in a sea of can't-miss moments, how do you choose where to be? If you ask Gemini about the poster, it'll share key information about the artists in your favorite genres.
Which artist do you recommend? I like dance pop.
You can also ask for assistance planning your travel to and from the festival.
Help me plan a trip to this event.
And all this information can be saved to Samsung Notes and your calendar for easy access.
Save it as a note.
Our long-standing collaboration with Google means that with the Galaxy S25 series, including Edge, integrate the latest Gemini features. Gemini Live is already a game changer for chatting naturally, giving you helpful information. And now, you can have a conversation with Gemini about what you're looking at. Let's see in action.
It's my first time going to a music festival. Which one should I wear?
The denim jacket is a classic choice for a music festival, but the suede jacket could also work depending on the weather.
Good point about the weather. The denim jacket will be better. Which shoes will go best with it?
The blue sneakers would look great with the denim jacket. They'll give you a cool, casual vibe.
Talk about easy and convenient. That's the kind of next-level help you can expect from Gemini. Are you ready to experience Galaxy S25 Edge for yourself? Choose from 3 striking colors: titanium silver, jet black, and icy blue. It'll be available starting at $1,099 from May 23rd, with pre-orders starting today. Galaxy S25 Edge goes beyond slim to rethink your expectations for what this growing new category of smartphone can do. Who says you can't have it all? Ultra sleek design, powerful performance, a pro-level camera, One UI 7, and a true AI companion.
Galaxy S25 Edge is an engineering marvel that makes no compromises. It's a perfect balance of design and engineering craftsmanship. We made breakthroughs in display, camera, and processing technology to create not only the slimmest Galaxy S series ever, but to go beyond slim. With advanced S-series performance, you will be able to unlock the power of Galaxy AI and the latest AI features. Pushing the boundaries of technology and innovating the user experience isn't just our goal. It's our commitment. Galaxy S25 Edge ushers in a new era of ultra-slim premium tech, setting the industry standard for what's next. Engineered for today, future-proof for tomorrow. Life opens up with Galaxy.
Now that you've seen it, the question is, are you ready to live on the edge?